my name is Elvia, and today's activity is going to be our sound canister. And for this activity, what we're going to need is glue, clear tape, pen or pencil, a ruler, cardboard, scissors, and colored paper. We're also going to need 6 cans. Now you can use these ones, or you can use the Vienna sausage, or whatever you have at home will be fine. But there has to be 6 of them, as you can see. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start off, and I picked this can. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our cardboard, grab our pen, and trace the little circles. We're going to make 12 of them because there's 6 cans, so there'll be 6 tops and bottoms. Okay, as you can see here, I already did one, and I put clear tape. I don't know if you can see the difference between the shine, but here's one side, okay? After that, you're gonna leave this side open so you can put your either beans, rice, lentils, or garbanzo beans, whatever you have. And what I'm gonna do is you can either cut out and leave your circles like this. Once you place it on here, what you could do is put tape on it. Okay, as long as it does not sink in, we're good. As you can see, it doesn't sink in. You can do it this way first, or you can do what I did here. And I cut a piece of colored paper, and I put tape on it, so this way, when I put it on here, I'm gonna put it upside down so you can see. I'm gonna center it. And then, as soon as it's centered, I'm gonna grab my pieces of tape and put it up this way. Okay, this is just a little example. I'm going to grab the other side as well. And here you go. See how it looks? I didn't put tape on this, but once you put tape, it'll go looking like this one. Okay, here's the way it's supposed to be. You got your top, you got your bottom, here's your paper, see? Now what you're going to do at the end is you're going to grab your other colored paper that you want. This is where I use the ruler. As you can see, what I did is I measured my can from here to here, measured it on my piece of paper, and I cut it out. Here it is. I cut it out. I put tape on it, and all you have to do is go around it. I also cut a little edge, which is another little piece of paper, and so you can have like a little trim. Now you're going to pull this all the way around, and you're going to put tape on it, okay? Now, what you could do, so you can put clear tape all around it, and it will also save your cans a little bit better. Okay, so this is what you're going to need, and this is the end result. As you can see, this is the little trim that I'm showing you. Here's the paper, and this is another. Okay, so I hope, now for this, I'm sorry I forgot to tell you, you can put 2 cans of beans, 2 cans of rice, or 2 cans of lentils or garbanzo beans. See the different sound? Well, that one's another bean. So for this activity, your child will learn to stack. He can count the cans. He can say if it's a small or medium or large. He can see the textures, roll it. So that is our activity for today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.